If you are a biryani lover, then you must try this variation. There are so many styles you could try this. Today I am showing you a very simple version of Chicken Dum Biryani. Detailed ingredients are given in the description below. Take 1 cup oil. Add 3 to 4 medium-sized onions, thinly sliced. Fry this until golden brown. Fry this on medium flame. This keeps onions crispy. Now, take 600 grams chicken. To this, add 1 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon chilli powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala. You could also use biryani powder, half teaspoon turmeric or haldi powder. Add half cup curd, few coriander leaves chopped. Mix this well. Add juice of 1 lemon. Crush half of the onions and add to the chicken masala. Also add half of the oil used for frying onions. Mix this well. Let it marinate for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Take rest of the oil. Add 2 teaspoon ghee. Cook the chicken masala on medium heat. In another vessel, take enough water for the rice, 1 bay leaf or Tejpata, 1 inch cinnamon or dalchini, 2 to 3 Elaichi, 1 star anise, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon Shah Jeera. Once water comes to boil, add soaked rice. Two teaspoons salt or as per your taste. Cook until the rice is 80% done. Then strain it. Now for the layering, remove 80% of the chicken masala. Layer some rice over the masala. Stir some chicken masala. Sprinkle fried onions and Kesar milk. Add few Pudina leaves. You could have 2 to 3 layers. Now cover the vessel with a clean cloth and place a lid over it. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. For the first 5 minutes, keep it on high flame and then lower the flame. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave your comments and do subscribe for more such videos.